Welcome everybody. So I thought we'd start by looking at some video footage from October 2013. You can see the YouTube video title at the top of the screen there. So let's clear that and play. And the size and colour of the sun looks spot on. That's what I would expect to see. Just rewind that a fraction. And it remains that size and colour throughout. So let's just fast forward that a bit to show you that it's see, its balloon just broke there. Okay, so let's have a look at another clip I found here, which is 2 years later in September 2015. First bacon in space. Very nice clear footage. The landscape there below looks awesome there. So, and in a second its balloon will burst, which gives you a nice clear shot of the sun. Here we go. So there again, slightly orange colour to it, but the size is what I would expect, and again that remains constant throughout. Let's just let that go on for a second. Okay, so now let's look at this footage that reveals something rather interesting, which was shot, I believe, early this year. So let's step back here, and a shout out to Bradley Cable and friends for the footage, and I think they've had no idea what they've captured here. So let me step back. So here we go. Now look at this thing. The colour looks completely off to me, just like you'd get with an artificial light source, and it's about double the size of what I've expected. So let's compare. If we go back, let me step back here. So look, yeah, as I say, it's about double the size of that. And look at the difference in colour as well. The nice orange, sort of orangey yellow. So let's go back in. And pause, step back. Okay, so that looks a bit odd, just that in itself. But let's let the video play for a second. Again, nice clear footage. So there it is again. This balloon is moving around pretty quickly. Same again. Hello. Now what the hell was that? So now it is 4 times the size of the regular sun, pure white light, very odd looking. So let's let it carry on again. Step back. And here we, what the, so now it's 8 times the size. Yeah, at one point I thought that I was looking at like different light sources, but no. Having watched the footage now lots of times, I think what's happening is the intensity level is changing. It's like cycling through different levels of intensity, which is what gives you the it looks looks like it's a bigger light source. So here it is again. So now it's about 4 times regular size. And this corresponds with what I'm seeing on the ground. Like today, for once, we had very few chemtrails, and it's like a really harsh, bright light. You know, it's much brighter than it should be, even at sunset. So it doesn't vary. You know, as the sun sets, it doesn't vary in intensity. Let's carry on here a bit. See, what is this like off the charts there, isn't it? The light it's giving out. See, look at that. Let's step back here. So yeah, the intensity is just changing those few seconds there. So it went from ultra bright, and this is what you sometimes see. Sometimes people have noticed it, like it looks like it's sort of moving beyond the clouds, but no, I think, as I say, it's just the intensity level is changing, which is odd, isn't it? Why would it be doing that? Whatever the case, though, yeah, this is the knockout evidence that NASA have put up an artificial sun in close proximity to our planet for some reason, and in addition, this is the reason for the chemtrails. It's to hide this from us. Maybe they know, because I was investigating what possible artificial light could be generating this, and one thing I found was xenon arc lamps, which they give out high levels of ultraviolet light. You know, it's not good for you at all. And in fact, I believe the article was saying beyond them, you know, even if you're for just a minute exposed to the light for a minute, it's you are receiving dangerous levels of ultraviolet, and this corresponds with what some people are detecting. You know, the UV levels. So look at that, the UV levels that people are detecting on Earth are. Like last time, I think it was in the extreme level, and already this year on February 21st they were getting over 10. See, there it's dropped back down to. So NASA's got some serious explaining to do, and unless they have an exceedingly good explanation for this, they should switch the damn thing off, and then there will be no reason for all these global chemtrails and the kilotons of chemicals they're having to use to create them. So hopefully my video has done its part in ending this, because I can just see no good reason for them doing this. So bye for now.